Okay, I'm going to install the freeze miser onto a faucet that has a backflow pressure valve on it. One of the things to watch out for is some of these the pressure valves are bad. So therefore, when you screw a freeze miser onto your faucet and turn the water on, you may start getting seepage up from the top of your pressure valve up here. If that's the case, the valve is bad. Simply turn the water back off and unscrew your freeze miser, and there's a screw in here you have to loosen up and unscrew this pressure valve off, and depending on your building codes where you live, you may have to reinstall a brand new one. So it's not the freeze miser that's leaking, it's your pressure valve here. So if that's the case, simply take it off, leave it off and screw it onto your regular faucet, or go get you a new one and adhere it to your faucet, and then screw your freeze miser back on and turn your water on to full open, and you're ready to go and you're protected.